it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Messenger story not showing. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application and the fixed Messenger story not showing, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Then scroll all the way down. And from preferences, choose privacy and safety. At the bottom here, we have story controls. So tap on it. And here we got stories you've muted. Tap on it. So for example, if you're looking for someone's story and you can find it, simply make sure that you haven't muted them. And here, for example, if you're looking for someone's story and you can find it, just make sure that you haven't muted that person. So for example here, I've muted that person. Now let's, for example, check the story section. So here, there is no story of that person. Now let's get back to the story I've muted. And unmute that person. Now go back to story section. And here it is. Once I've unmuted that person, his story showing up. So simply, if you don't find any person's story, just make sure that you haven't muted that person. Or you can also go to settings, then scroll all the way down till you get to apps. Then tap on manage apps. Scroll all the way down till you get to Messenger. So here it is, tap on it. Then tap on clear data. After that, tap on clear cache. And this is it. This is how to fix Instagram story not showing. Thanks for watching. See ya.